Once, there was a shepherd boy who was very naughty.
Nice quiet day, Dad.
He used to take sheep for grazing to the hillside. One day, he thought that he would make fun of his fellow shepherds
I have an idea.
and started shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! Help!" All the shepherds came with big sticks
Where
to
is
kill
it?
the wolf. But when they reached there, they did not see any wolf. They asked the boy why he had cried for help. The boy laughed and said that he was just fooling. The shepherds got angry and went away. The next day, the naughty boy played the same trick and made them very angry. Some days later, a wolf really came. The boy got frightened and started shouting for help, but nobody came to help him. The wolf killed one of his sheep and took it away.
I shouldn't have lied.
The boy realized his mistake and felt sorry.
I'll always tell the truth now.
The Grasshopper and the Ants. During summer, the grasshopper spent his days singing and dancing while the ants were busy gathering grains. "Why are you working in the hot summer?" The grasshopper laughed at them. "We are storing food for winter," replied the ants. Soon, winter came, and the grasshopper could find no more food. Shivering, he knocked at the ant's door. "Can you give me some food to eat?" The ant answered, "You sang and danced the whole summer, so sing and dance now."
Old Man and His Sons. A man had 3 sons. They were very strong, but they always fought with one another. This made him unhappy. One day he fell ill, so he called his sons to his bedside. He sent one of them to bring some sticks. The boy went out and brought a bundle of sticks. The father gave this bundle to them and asked them to break it. The boys tried hard but could not do so. Then the father asked his sons to take 1 stick each and break it. They all took 1 stick each and broke it easily. The father said to them, "You are like these sticks. If you are good and stay together, you will remain strong. Otherwise, you will lose one by one." The boys understood their father and promised not to fight with one another anymore.
The Dove and the Ant. On a hot summer day, an ant was looking for water. After some time, he reached the riverside and started drinking water. While drinking water, he slipped and fell into the river. The small ant was struggling to float on the water. Suddenly, a dove sitting on a nearby tree saw the ant. The dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it near the ant. The ant saw the floating leaf and climbed on it. When it reached the bank of the river safely, the ant felt relieved and happy. Then, the ant thanked the dove for saving its life. A few days later, the ant was sitting by the riverside. Suddenly, it saw a bird hunter aiming at the dove who had saved its life. The ant marched towards the hunter and bit his leg. The man cried out loud in pain. His cry drew the dove's attention, who quickly flew away. In this way, the ant repaid the dove's favor. The two became great friends.